This is the video you have been searching for on the internet. This product that we're about to make on today's video is going to help your hair grow long, thick, stop shedding and breakage. This is an all-in-one hair growth oil that can cater for all your hair horrors. Is your hair bald on crown section, edges? This product is going to help you grow your hair thick. I'm not even kidding. This product will help darken your hair over time. If your hair is a bit brown or color 1B, basically, if you're looking for a product that will darken your hair, this DIY is going to do that. It's going to help your hair grow thick. All you need to do is just to put your hair in a simple protective style and leave the rest for this oil. Your hair is going to grow really thick and long. When you use this consistently for a month, you will be shocked at your results. Your shedding will be minimized, your hair will darken. This product is going to grow your hair on bald areas. So for you to make this product, all you need is just grab a jar, rosemary, dry rosemary leaves. But if you don't have dry rosemary leaves, you can use the fresh ones. So I'll be using the dried ones in 1 tablespoon. Moving on to the next ingredient, I have cloves. If you have not been using cloves in your routine, this is a sign to start using that. So I'll be using cloves in 1 tablespoon. Basically, all I'm doing is to gather all my whole ingredients, my ingredients that are not powder, in my blender and then blend them. So if you have the powders, feel free to use them. So for my next ingredient, I have Nescafe. You can use any brand of your choice. Coffee, basically. You can use any coffee of your choice. I'm using 1.5 grams of coffee. So I emptied that in my blender. So I will go on ahead to blend that while I continue with the rest of the ingredients. So for the next ingredient, I have neem powder. So I'm going to be measuring that differently because they are powders while I blend the rest of the ingredients like the rosemary, cloves, and then the coffee, because coffee comes in granules, so I need to grind them to smooth powder. So the next ingredient is moringa powder. Please, if you have the powders, you don't need to stress yourself to blend. You can surf the web for the benefits of all these ingredients. You will see that this oil that we're about to make is power packed. This oil is very potent. I must warn you that this oil will grow your hair like crazy. So after blending the rosemary, cloves and my coffee, I'm going to transfer it in a bowl, and then I will transfer that everything in my jar. The reason why I transferred it in a bowl is just so it can help me to transfer it in my jar and also for you guys to see what I have. Next ingredient is palm kernel oil, PKO in short. So I'm going to be using palm kernel oil. I'm going to be measuring out 1 cup of that. For those of you that are looking for what's this oil again that is trending, Atana oil. So I must add that this is about 250 ml worth of oil. So 1 cup is equivalent to 250 ml worth of oil. So I mixed everything up. I started to combine using DIY double boiler method, which is my water bath, whereby I boil some water in a pot and then I place the jar in it just so it can infuse. All the ingredients can infuse and release its nutrients in the oil, because that's the goal. So I brought down my jar and allowed it to cool down completely. You have to be really careful so that you don't burn your hands. So next up is to strain. I'm using my strainer and able to collect that. So I'm not worried about the particles. You might be saying, Dima, why are you sure that strainer will do the job? So if you're not comfortable with that, you can use cheesecloth to strain. But just so you know, once the herbs are in the oil, the more they stay in the oil, the more potent the oil will be. So I'll transfer that in my applicator bottle, and then here is what I have. This is our super potent hair growth oil. Now look at my hair. The use of Ayurveda in my hair is amazing. Like, it is evident in my hair. I have been using this Ayurveda for the longest of time, since 2019. 2019, I have been using herbs in my hair. Even though I always trim my hair, I trim my hair every three months, and I trim my hair in chunks, yet my hair is still growing. Currently I'm at tailbone length, so I've surpassed waist length. Just so you know, consistent use of these herbal ingredients has so many benefits for your hair. You will not shed so much, your hair is not going to be shedding too much, your hair is going to be growing healthier, your hair is going to be growing thicker, your hair is going to be growing stronger, that it will not be shedding at all. That if you put comb in your hair, you just have little to no shedding at all. So I encourage you to make this oil, especially if you're battling with shedding, breakage, hair loss, buzz pores. Please make this oil. If you're looking for a recommendation from me, please try this particular oil because it is packed. If you have all the ingredients, please make it. Like I was saying, this batana oil that everybody is raving about, just know that palm kernel oil is more potent than batana oil. Say that Dema told you so. Yes, it is more potent than batana oil. How do you know that? Because palm kernel oil contains a lot of nutrients, but a lot of persons don't know this, that palm kernel oil contains a lot of nutrients that can help your hair thrive, help your hair grow healthily. Now, for instance, now you have this palm kernel oil having herbs infused in it. That's like magic potion. Like, that's like magic potion that will trigger hair growth, make your hair grow excessively. I'm not even kidding you. Now you're applying this oil on your scalp daily and massaging it. Invest in this, my scalp massager. I've been telling you guys this in most of my videos. If you're tired of using your fingers to massage your hair, please invest in this scalp massager. It's a life changer. It helps you relax after your day-to-day hustle and bustle. Come home, shower, use this massager to massage your scalp. Apply your oil sparingly, just as you apply your body lotion daily. That's how you should apply this oil daily. If you don't know what to do, if you're always forgetting about using your hair product, place it where you place your pomade or lotion. You will see that you'll be consistent. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on my next one. Bye.